Alright, so let's take a look at the tools you're going to need to complete this installation. We've got a 10mm combination wrench. Ratcheting helps if you have it, but not necessary. We've got a 1/4" drive ratchet. You are going to need the elusive 10mm socket, so I hope you can find it. You're also going to need a universal joint if you want to make things a little easier, but not necessary. And an extension to go along with the ratchet and the socket. These happen to all be 1/4" drive. And then, of course, we've got some safety glasses and some gloves to protect our hands. Alright, so let's take a look at why you might want to install this oil fill relocation tube. In a lot of front mount intercooler setups, they've got the piping running directly over the stock location tube. So it's right over top of your cap. Now it may pass over the cap, but it may also cause some rubbing issues, as here. So what the oil fill relocation tube from Killer Bee is going to do, it's going to set that oil fill cap in towards the intake manifold a little bit further so that you have full access to that without interfering with the piping. Alright, so let's take a look here at exactly what we're going to remove. Once we take the OEM fill cap off, we've got the bolt here through the support bracket that's going to come out, and then we've got 2 bolts through the flange of the fill tube itself, both 10mm. Those will come out. Now that we've got the bolts out and we've moved this clip harness out of the way, we're going to remove the OEM fill tube. Just want to support it, wiggle it a little to get that O-ring to break free and get it to pop up out. And here's the new one that we're going to install the same way. You're going to feel it kind of pop into place when it's seated properly. And then the install is the reverse of the removal of the old one. We're going to put the 3 bolts in and put the cap back on. Now that the bolts are all installed, the only thing left is to put the oil fill cap back on. And that's the install video for the Killer Bee Motorsport oil fill relocation tube.